cool thing with Olympic National Park is it's so large. There's so many different elevation changes that there's several different climates depending on where within the park you are. I love rainforests! So there's rainforests, there's mountains, and there's the ocean side as well. We're kind of in the mountainous side. A lot of Douglas firs, huge trees. Doing a hike to Lake Angeles. Very excited, very green. Should be fun.
So mossy.
Very mossy. What are your thoughts on Escape the Zoo thus far?
Woo!
Escape the woo!
Escape the woo!
Scare Helene and Dan. I just did a presentation on David and Goliath and pronounced Goliath Goliath, so I don't feel bad.
For the whole presentation.
Yeah, and then my buddy Trevor was like, dude, you don't know how to pronounce Goliath.
You tried to play it off?
Yeah, I was like, nah, I know, I just can't.
If you're ever being followed in Olympic National Park by some Nazgul, I found the hiding spot.
Lord of the Rings reference.
How hard is this going to be to walk down?
I think we're there, folks. We've done it.
There's
Oh
ices.
my god, please, I hope I got that shot. There you go, bud. Yeah!
Trying to climb?
I was gonna eat my sandwich. No!